Dear parents, this is just kind of a review of some things. Some of you weren't here when I sent out my first video, so this is welcome to the parents who did not get my first video, and a review of some things, because I think some people kind of didn't get everything the first week. I wanted to say it's been a great couple of weeks getting in the groove. This is Renweb. I've already logged in, because if you don't know how to log in, that's a Miss Diane question. But when you log in, this is what it's going to look like. Over here tells you when the semesters are, trimesters end, stuff like that. There's not going to be any events because everything's kind of closed down right now. Over here you can see, you just click on student. You just click on, there we go. Bailey, this is all of Bailey's information. Will, this is all Will's information. I'm going to go with Will because he's my middle schooler. And you can see here, this is what his homework was on Monday. This is what, go on down. You know, yesterday was Wednesday. That was what he needed to worry about last night. He's a 6th grader. Over here is his grades. I'm not going to spend a lot of time sharing my son's grades, but that's where you can see his grades. And then if you want to know specifics about why he got that grade or she got that grade in a specific subject, go over here and click grades. And then it'll tell you this is Bible, Miss Barnett, what his grade is, what he's gotten on his assignments, what he's gotten on his quizzes. Then up here you can click and look at computer lab or history or homeroom or language, literature. It'll tell you who the teacher is for each one of those subjects. You can click on it and look at any of his grades. History, which is what I teach. You can see projects, 6th grade's already gotten a lot of like little skill sheets, quizzes, simple solutions, quizzes, tests. That SS for me is always just the simple solutions quizzes. And as far as quizzes go, as I've said in the first video, I give amazing quiz study guides. So if you see back to homework, if you see that it shows that they have a quiz 3, you know, right there it says quiz 3. Here is the quiz 3 study guide for I think this is for 5th grade quiz study guide, but it tells you it's just a quiz, tells you what they need to be able to locate. That's a typo. I should have written quiz 2 there. But what they should be able to locate, what the questions and then the answers are. And then here's the quiz that they're going to take today. Here's the 4 things that they're going to have to locate. It's exactly the same as what I said, be able to locate. Here's the question, smallest, coldest ocean. Over here somewhere, smallest, coldest ocean, for multiple choice. So when you see on Renweb for history that there is a quiz, this is what their quiz study guide should look like. If it says SS quiz, then they should have a paper that looks like this, that says SS quiz. It tells you there's going to be a coordinate map on there. Then here's an actual question with an answer. With the SS quizzes, sometimes it will say an actual question with an answer. Sometimes it'll just tell you that you're going to have something like a coordinate map. So here's the quiz with a coordinate map on it that you have to be able to answer some questions on it. Here's a political map that you got to be able to know north, south, east, west, and then how to find stuff on it. And then there's some definitions, which we don't write out on the quiz study guides. I just expect them to either know it or look it up and find it. So that's a real quick review of what's going on in history and of Renweb in general. Always check Renweb. That will answer a lot of questions about what the homework is and about what the grades are. Hope this helps. Like I said, it's been a great first almost 2 full weeks getting into the routines and getting figuring out when we can go to lockers and get how to clean rooms and all that stuff. Have a great day. Talk to you later.